Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is it. Bring your contractor to view this spacious incomplete house on sale. It is approximately 3,500 square feet and sits on 1/3 acre of land. It comes with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is located in Hatfield, Manchester. This house gives you the chance to personalize and complete to your satisfaction. Unfinished work includes painting, kitchen and bathroom cupboards, fixtures and fittings, ceiling, windows, door and flooring, etc. The bedrooms, living and dining room are spacious. When completed, this house will make any family a beautiful home. Call for more information and to schedule an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.